Hello guys, I'm Fuurio. For today's video, we will talk about Caladium Humboldtii. If you are new to this channel, to my channel, please click the thumb sign and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the icon bell for more updated plants videos. So let's watch this video until the end. Enjoy! All information of this plant were taken from Goggle and other written articles that help us to know about this plant. For disclaimer, I am not expert in planting plants. All information that I will share with you are based from own experience, and I gathered some ideas from my neighbors or gardener that will help us to have knowledge about this plant. What is Caladium Humboldtii mini white? It is a decorative foliage plant with green leaves splashed heavily with contrasting white markings. Caladiums are tropical plants that grow from an underground form that dies down in winter and will resprout in spring. Caladium like warmth and humidity and protection from full sun. They should have regular watering to keep the soil moist, but overwatering can lead rotting of the form. Regular fertilizing with half-strength liquid fertilizer will give sturdy growth. Propagation is from offsets from larger corms. All parts of the plant are poisonous if ingested. Additional plant information: size 0.3 meters maximum height, 0.15 meters minimum height. Climate: this plant species will grow in the following climate: temperate, subtropical, tropical. Soil types and conditions: loam, clay, sand should be moist. So, dry ang kanyang soil. Sa aking soil ay normal lang siya. So, kailangan siyang ganituhin, bungkalin para maayos ang paglaki niya. Tsaka, ang Caladium white mini, para siyang pulver shamrock, namatay din ang mga leaves nila. Kumbaga may tinatawag sa dormancy period. Namamatay at may buwan na mabubuhay sila ulit. Yan ang life cycle ng Caladium Humboldtii. Yan. So, may sisibol ulit ng panibagong dahon siya. Ganyan ang buhay ng Caladium Humboldtii or mini white. Okay, lagyan natin ng tubig. Kasi konti-konti lang po. Ito naman. Yan, oops, tama na. Ganyan yan. Dapat regular ang paglagay ng tubig yan. Okay. Caladium grow best in shade to part shade. 2 to 4 hours of direct sun, preferably morning, or bright dappled light. In these conditions, they produce the lush growth with large colorful leaves. Ito ang aming Caladium. Siya si Hana, katulong ko sa pag-aalaga ng halaman na to. Inaalis namin yung mga bulok na dahon. Hi. Hello!
Petong din eh. Ini sila ni. Sila ni. Ini si ulang sa sana.
Oh, ang mga Caladium. Dwarf Caladium. Dwarf Caladium. Even under the best conditions, Caladium foliage lasts only a few months before the leaves start to die back and the plant goes dormant again. This is okay. They're supposed to do that. That's the life cycle of this plant. Hello guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the icon bell for more updated videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you on the next videos. Yeah.